Let's simplify the given logarithmic expression. So here we will rewrite the second term using a property. If we have a times log of b, so that's equivalent to log of b raised to the power of a. That means we will have log of 15 plus log of 0.5 squared. We can apply the same property to the third term as well. So we have log of 2 cubed minus, so we'll take the negative common, so we'll have log of 3 plus log of 5. Now what we'll do, we'll combine the first, second and third term within the parentheses and the fourth and the fifth term within the parentheses using another property of logarithm, which is log of a plus log of b. So that's equals to log of the product between a and b. Fine. This gives us log of 15 times 0.5 squared, so that's 0.25. Multiplied to 2 cubes, so 2 cube is 8. Minus log of, we have 3 multiplied to 5. Now, we will use another property of logarithm to combine these two terms. So that property will be, if we have log of a minus log of b, that is simply the log of a over b. Fine. So this will give us now log of 15 multiplied to 0.25 multiplied to 8 divided by, we have 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. So this 15 and 15 goes away, and log of 0.25 times 8, so that's log of 2. So this is the final value and the simplified value of a given logarithmic expression.